Today I'm going to be sharing with you two very simple yet effective mindfulness tools. I want to preface this with it is so important to practice these on a daily basis. As Dr. Christine reminded us during the retreat, think about this. It's like you're out there in a lake and you don't know how to swim. And I'm yelling at you from the shore. Just move your arms and your legs and try to relax. And you can swim across, yet you don't know how to swim. If you don't practice these tools, such as mindfulness, nervous system regulation tools, things to help you keep your peace and calm, when stressors happen, you will not have that neuroplasticity to go ahead and practice these things and really utilize these tools. The great thing is you can utilize the tools that I'm going to share with you anytime and pretty much anywhere. They are super effective. So the first one is the power of the pause. How often do we actually pause? I don't know about you, but it can be really easy and tempting to go from one thing to the next thing to the next thing without adding a pause. So I really love and appreciate the power of the pause. Think about it. You're in a heated discussion with someone. What are you going to do? Respond back or pause? You need to make a major decision. You're not quite sure what to do. Immediately your mind goes into chaos. Are you just going to make that decision? Or are you going to take a pause? So the pause is so profound. You're going back for that second serving of food. And actually you are full. Power of the pause. If you can pause, you have that opportunity to make a choice that's going to really honor you. And then 3 mindful breaths. There's a few things I want to talk to you about with breathing. First of all, we breathe about 40 to 60,000 breaths a day. How many of them are you aware of? A lot of us are breathing from here up, very shallow breathing. So when we can breathe down into the belly, we really start to stimulate that vagus nerve. We start to connect with our parasympathetic nervous system. And many of the women that I work with are in sympathetic overdrive, right? Living in that fight, flight, or freeze. Go, 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 go. Take the kids here, take the kids there, do this, cook this dinner, make this meal, get to this job, see this client. And so through that power of the pause, through those 3 mindful breaths, breathing down into the belly, activating that vagus nerve, that parasympathetic, we can create that mindfulness in our life. We can empower our health, empower ourselves, and really start to live from a place of health and harmony. So let's go ahead and practice those 3 mindful breaths together. I'm going to have you for this breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. I want your exhale to be longer than your inhale. So your breath out is going to be longer than your breath in. And if you cannot breathe in and out through your nose, please use your mouth. All right. So we're going to go ahead and inhale through the nose. You're going to watch my belly. Okay. I want you to breathe down into that belly and start practicing this. Pausing. Whether it's, I'm going to get my glass of water. Pause. Feel, taste the water. Pausing. Slowing down. Taking those 3 mindful breaths. And aim to do this, if this is a new practice for you, aim to do this at least 3 times a day. And if you're already practicing this, I would encourage you to start adding more of this mindfulness, more of this pausing, tuning into the present, more of this mindful breathing, Noticing when we're breathing from the shoulders or breathing down into the belly. Let me know how this practice goes. I don't know about you, just taking those 3 breaths, I feel more peace, and tasting my water, slowing down, feels more enjoyable. Talk to you soon.